Hello students, in this video we will learn the identities and few important questions from the chapter Trigonometric Identities, and I will share few tips from which you can get ideas how to solve a question. So let us start. Now how do you remember these identities? So we will write these in order. First is sin theta, next is cos theta, next is tan theta, cot theta, and next is secant theta, next is cosecant theta. You have to remember these all in order. So here we will write sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, and tan square theta plus 1 is equal to secant square theta. Cot square theta plus 1 is equal to cosecant square theta. This is the trick to remember the identities. We'll solve the questions. First one, if 1 plus sine square theta is equal to 3 sine theta cos theta, we have to prove this. Tan theta is equal to 1 or 1 by 2. So here we have sine theta and cos theta. Can we convert this into sine or cos individually? We cannot. So in this 1 we will convert as, here 1 we can write as sine square theta plus cos square theta. We will use this identity here. We'll substitute this in place of 1. We'll substitute this one, sin square theta plus cos square theta. We will get sin square theta plus cos square theta plus sin square theta minus 3 sin theta cos theta is equal to 0. So here sin square theta plus sin square theta, it is 2 sin square theta minus 3 sin theta cos theta plus cos square theta is equal to 0. So here we will split this middle term. Minus 3 sin theta cos theta can be written as minus 2 sin theta cos theta and minus sin theta cos theta. Minus sin theta cos theta. So we will write the two terms as it is. It is 2 sin square theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta minus sin theta cos theta plus cos square theta is equal to 0. So in the first two terms we will take 2 sin theta common. 2 sin theta into sin theta minus cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta minus, we will take cos theta common in the next two terms, cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 0. So here we will get sin theta minus cos theta into 2 sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 0. So we will take the first term equal to 0. So if we take sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 0, we will get sin theta is equal to cos theta. If we bring cos theta to the left side, we will get sin theta divided by cos theta is equal to 1. So here sin theta by cos theta, it is tan theta. So here we got tan theta is equal to 1. Okay. Now we will take the next term equal to 0. We will take 2 sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 0. So 2 sin theta is equal to cos theta. So 2 sin theta divided by cos theta. 2 sin theta divided by cos theta is equal to 1. So sin theta by cos theta, it is tan theta. So tan theta is equal to 1 by 2. So here we got tan theta is equal to 1 and tan theta is equal to 1 by 2. So next one, we have to prove that 1 plus secant theta divided by secant theta is equal to sin square theta by 1 minus cos theta. So here in the left hand side, what is left hand side? It is 1 plus secant theta divided by secant theta. What do we know here? Secant theta is equal to inverse of cos theta, right? So we will just substitute this one. So we will get here 1 plus 1 by cos theta divided by 1 by cos theta. So take LCM in the numerator, we will get cos theta plus 1 divided by cos theta. Okay. And again this denominator will be inverse into cos theta divided by 1. Cos theta and cos theta will get cancelled. So here we'll get 1 plus cos theta in the left hand side. And we will take the right hand side. What it is? In the right hand side we have sin square theta divided by 1 minus cos theta. So here what do we know here? Can we convert 1 minus cos theta into something so that numerator and denominator can be cancelled? See here, what do we know here? What is the relation between sin theta and cos theta? We know sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So from this, can we apply anything in the denominator? No. But can we apply in the numerator? Yes. So what we can apply? Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So we will apply the same thing in this equation. Okay. So sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta divided by 1 minus cos theta. So in the numerator we have a square minus b square. So what is a square minus b square? It is a plus b into a minus b. So we will apply this formula here. Here we have 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta will be cancelled. So here we have 1 plus cos theta. Okay, in the left hand side also we have the same expression. Next one, we have to prove that square root of secant theta minus 1 divided by secant theta plus 1 plus square root of secant theta plus 1 divided by secant theta minus 1 is equal to 2 cosecant theta. So here we will take the LHS. We have to simplify this one. So whatever is there in the numerator, what we have in the numerator, it is secant theta minus 1 and secant theta plus 1. So in the first term, we will multiply and divide with the numerator term. Okay. So here we will multiply and divide with the numerator. We will get secant theta minus 1 into secant theta minus 1 divided by secant theta plus 1 into secant theta minus 1. Okay. Plus. And in this term, we will multiply and divide with the term in the numerator. Okay. It is secant theta plus 1 into secant theta plus 1 divided by secant theta minus 1 into secant theta plus 1. Okay. So here a minus b whole square. It is a minus b into a minus b. It is a minus b whole square. So here we have secant theta minus 1 whole square. This is square root of. Okay. And here a plus b into a minus b. It is a square minus b square. It is secant square theta minus 1 square plus square root of. It is a plus b into a plus b. It is a plus b whole square. It is secant theta plus 1 whole square divided by a minus b into a plus b. It is a square minus b square. It is secant square theta minus 1. So here in the numerator we have secant theta minus 1 divided by secant square theta minus 1. Secant square theta minus 1 is what? It is tan square theta. It is tan square theta. So here square root of tan square theta. Square root of tan square theta is what? It is tan theta. So we will write here tan theta plus secant theta plus 1 divided by again secant square theta minus 1. It is tan theta. We will take LCM here. We have secant theta minus 1 plus secant theta plus 1 divided by tan theta. So here minus 1 and plus 1 will be cancelled. It is 2 secant theta divided by tan theta. So here what is secant theta? What is secant theta? It is inverse of cos theta. So it is 2 by cos theta divided by tan theta is what? It is sin theta by cos theta. Here we have 2 by cos theta into cos theta divided by sin theta. Here cos theta and cos theta will be cancelled. We will get 2 by sin theta. Inverse of sin theta is what? Cosecant theta. Here 2 cosecant theta. So this is what we have in right hand side. Okay. Next one. we have to prove that tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta plus cot square theta by 1 plus cot square theta is equal to 1. So we will take the left hand side. We have tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta plus cot square theta divided by 1 plus cot square theta. And what do we know about tan theta and cot theta? Tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta and cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. We'll substitute this. So here tan square theta is sin square theta divided by cos square theta divided by 1 plus sin square theta by cos square theta plus cot square theta is cos square theta divided by sin square theta by 1 plus cos square theta divided by sin square theta. So here we have sin square theta divided by cos square theta divided by, we'll take LCM, cos square theta plus sin square theta divided by cos square theta plus cos square theta divided by sin square theta divided by, we'll take LCM, sin square theta plus cos square theta divided by sin square theta. So here what do we have? We have sin square theta divided by cos square theta into cos square theta. So this term will be inverse. Okay. Cos square theta divided by sin square theta plus cos square theta, it is 1. Okay. Plus cos square theta divided by sin square theta into, and this term will be inverse, into sin square theta divided by sin square theta plus cos square theta, it is 1. So here cos square theta and cos square theta will be cancelled. Sin square theta will be cancelled. We will have sin square theta plus cos square theta. It is 1. So we have proved this full term is equal to 1. Next one, we have to prove that tan a by 1 plus secant a minus tan a by 1 minus secant a is equal to 2 cosecant a. So here in left hand side we have 1 plus secant a and 1 minus secant a in the denominators. So if we multiply them, we will get 1 minus secant square a. So we will get some term. And in the numerator also we have tan a in both the terms. And take tan a common, it is tan a into 1 by 1 plus secant a minus 1 by 1 minus secant a. And take LCM here, it is tan a into 1 plus secant a into 1 minus secant a, it is a plus b into a minus b. It is 1 square minus secant square a, it is a square minus b square. So here we have 1 minus secant a minus of 1 plus secant a. So here we have tan a into 1 minus secant a minus 1 minus secant a divided by 1 minus secant square a. What do we know here? Secant square a is equal to 1 plus tan square a. So if you take 1 to the left side, it will be secant square a minus 1 is equal to tan square a. And if you take minus common, what do we get? Minus of 1 minus secant square a is equal to tan square a. So here we have 1 minus secant square a. So here 1 minus secant square a is equal to minus of tan square a. We will just substitute here 1 minus secant square a is equal to minus tan square a. So here 1 and minus 1 will be cancelled. We will get tan a divided by minus tan square a into minus 2 secant a. Minus and minus will be cancelled. Here tan A and 1 tan A will be cancelled. We'll get 1 by tan A into 2 secant A. Inverse of tan A is cot A. Cot A into 2 secant A. Cot A is what? It is cos A divided by sin A into 2. Secant A is inverse of cos A. Inverse of cos A. Cos A and cos A will be cancelled. We'll get here 2 by sin A. It is 2 into inverse of sin A. It is cosecant A. 2 cosecant A. This is what we have in right hand side. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.